Hello guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something that is unusual. It's more of vlog. Normally you just see me on YouTube video talking about admission, but today I just want to show you around, talking about accommodation. If you're planning to get an accommodation, planning to come to Brazil to study, a typical accommodation that you can come by, that you can come across, and the facilities that is inside this accommodation, and the cost. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So once again, you are welcome back. My name remains the same. This is knowledge blog, your choice blog for anything that has to do with admission in Brazil and other parts of the world. So but I'm not going to be starting the vlog from inside. I would like to take it from the outside. So just come with me. Come and go. When I came to Brazil, someone already prepared this kind of accommodation for me, and today I'm also having the opportunity of preparing this kind of accommodation for someone, a student that just arrived in Brazil. So before these students came, we have been in contact, and I've been making arrangements for the preparation of this accommodation. There are so many beautiful accommodation in Brazil. So this is my view. So this is a residential apartment. Okay, so it's like a comfortable apartment for like a family of 3. So I'm going to show you the inside. I'm going to be telling you about the price. It's windy, it's very cold. So like I said, it's a residential area. Okay, so over there you can see something like Alugasi. So that is Alugasi. Alugasi means rent. Okay, so this is the entrance to the house, and for you to enter, it has a main gate that leads to the main building. This building is actually a twin building. This is the first one, it goes up, and that is the second one over there. So for you to enter, you have to click in your the password. So my password, I'm gonna enter that. So you can hear the sound, the door is open. So come in. So as a resident in this building, you have access to one car park. Okay, so this is the car park, and this house is very secure. It has security camera. I beg your pardon, it has camera security all about here. So right now the floor I'm going to is the first floor, and I'm going there right now. I just met one of the neighbors in the house. So this house actually come, let's say, semi furnished, because it has bed, it has kitchen, it comes with cooking utensils, it comes with gas. You don't have to be buying gas. Everything is included in the amount. Okay, so this is the hallway that leads directly to the apartment I'm talking about. So our own apartment here is apartment 204. You can say Benvindo. Benvindo means welcome, and it also has a lock. So you don't use key, you use the lock to enter. So I'm going to type in. So press open. So this is the entrance of the house. I think this gives you like an insight of how much apartment costs. Garulos, like in the outskirts of Garulos. So guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful one. And if you are planning to come to São Paulo, this might probably be one of the apartments. This will give you an insight of the kind of apartments you can have access to. It even has like a doorbell. If you want to call, if someone wants to meet you, you can open the gate directly from here. That gate I was trying to open at the entrance, you can actually open the gate for a guest that is coming to visit you right from this place. The person can call you directly, and you speak to the person, and you open the gate immediately from here, directly from here. So guys, again, the total amount for this space is 1,100 Brazilian reais. And if you're looking, so this is one of the things I should let you know. which could be like a source of investment. You can also invest in this kind of stuff in Brazil, like you can buy, because like I showed you earlier from the beginning, this building is just like a twin building and there are so many apartments inside. The one we are in right now is 204, so you can, some of them are for sales, like some owners want to sell their own, while some are renting out their own. Okay, so the owner of this one just rented it out, and if you are planning to to invest in Brazil, you can also consider buying an apartment like this, and you can rent it out. You can use it for Airbnb if you want. You can also rent it out. So guys, I hope this video give you like an insight, but if you are going to be renting this type of apartment in the center, no, it's going to be very expensive, to be honest. Don't forget, I said this place is in Guarulhos, like it's in the outskirts of São Paulo. Guarulhos National Airport is not so far from here. It's like 10 minutes drive to this place. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your endeavor to come to Brazil. And don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to don't forget to share with someone that is planning to come to Brazil, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All of you that have been watching the video on this channel and are yet to subscribe, please, I beg you, kindly subscribe. Okay, and if there's anything that you want to know about Brazil, for example, you are planning to come to Brazil, maybe you want to study and you are looking for such opportunity, I could be of assistance. I can help you to do all of that. This is like, and I'm not sure I've ever done this kind of video before. It's more like a vlog. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Até mais. Ciao, ciao.